Hi, what if I told you that some solar panels can keep powering your devices even in the harshest conditions? Scorching sun, heavy snow, or relentless rain. Today we're diving into the top most durable solar panels for harsh environments that you can get on Amazon. And yes, all the links are in the description, so check them out. Let's kick things off with number 6, the Rvpozwer 18BB200W solar panel kit. This two-panel 100WN type monocrystalline setup is all about high efficiency, boasting up to 25% conversion, which outshines many older P-type panels, hovering around 21–23%. The advanced N-type cells not only give superior low-light performance, perfect for cloudy mornings or shaded spots, but also maintain stable output in high temperatures, something many conventional panels struggle with. The panels are built tough with corrosion-resistant aluminum frames and IP68 rated junction boxes designed to withstand snow, rain, and strong winds, while the pre-drilled mounting holes make installation a breeze. Compared to competitors like Renogy's similar 200W panels, the Rvpozwer edge ahead in raw efficiency and long-term degradation resistance, offering a fantastic value for off-grid builders who want cutting-edge performance without breaking the bank. Moving on to number 5, the Bitnovol 30W portable solar panel. Unlike the Rvpozwer, this panel is designed for ultra portability, perfect for backpackers, hikers, and campers needing reliable power on the go. Its 26% monocrystalline efficiency is impressive for a 30W panel, and it includes multiple outputs, Type-C PD, QC3 USB, and a DC port with 10 connectors, meaning nearly any device can be charged simultaneously. While it can't match the raw wattage of full 100W or 400W kits, it shines in portability and convenience, folding into a lightweight, laptop-sized package with an IP65 water-resistant rating for light rain. When stacked against something like Jackery's 40W panel, Bitnovol is arguably better for multi-device charging, offering more connectivity options in a compact form. It's the go-to choice for those who prioritize travel-friendly design and versatile charging over permanent rooftop power. At number 4, the Callsun 400W solar panel kit steps in as a powerhouse for larger off-grid setups. Comprised of 4 100W high-output N-type 16BB panels, it delivers 25% efficiency with excellent low-temperature coefficient performance, keeping output strong even in hot weather. Each panel weighs just 11.4 lb, making them surprisingly easy to install on RVs, cabins, or irregular surfaces. Compared to a single large 400W panel, the build is rugged with corrosion-resistant aluminum and tempered glass, rated to endure 2400 PA wind and 5400 PA snow loads. Compared with the Rvpozwer kit, Callsun offers higher total wattage for larger systems while still maintaining similar efficiency, though it requires more wiring and connections. It's ideal for those who want modular flexibility without sacrificing power. Number 3, HQST 200W monocrystalline solar panel delivers a reliable single-panel solution for medium-scale off-grid needs. With grade A+ 9BB PERC cells, it achieves 25% efficiency and excels in low-light situations. Its IP65 rating protects against dust and water jets, while tempered glass and corrosion-resistant frames endure extreme weather. Compared to Rvpozwer and Callsun, it offers simpler installation with less wiring, but slightly lower total system capacity. Budget-conscious builders will appreciate its strong performance at a more accessible price point, though customer support has mixed reviews. Next. Number 2, Renogy 400W portable solar panel suitcase blends portability with high power output. Delivering 400W at 23% efficiency, this foldable suitcase is perfect for RVs, emergency backup, and off-grid adventures. Its IP67 waterproof rating surpasses many competitors like Bitnovol or EC-worthy, and the robust aluminum kickstands allow quick, stable setup. Compared with Callsun and Rvpozwer, it's heavier but provides immediate deployability and long-term durability, making it ideal for high-demand users who need maximum output on the move. Finally, number 1, ECO-worthy 400W solar panel kit offers 4 100W monocrystalline panels at a budget-friendly price. While the efficiency of 21-23% is slightly lower than N-type competitors like Rvpozwer or Callsun, the lightweight modular design makes DIY installation straightforward. IP65 handles standard weather, though not as robust as IP67/IP68 panels. When comparing value, ECO-worthy wins on affordability for fixed off-grid setups, perfect for beginners or budget-conscious installers who want a dependable backbone for medium off-grid systems without compromising total wattage. So there you have it, the most durable solar panels for harsh conditions, from ultra-portable chargers like Bitnovol to high-pop tower houses like Callsun and Rvpozwer. Each offers unique advantages depending on your needs, whether it's efficiency, portability, or sheer wattage. What do you think about these panels? Which one would you choose for your off-grid setup? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay updated on all our solar reviews. All the links are in the description, so check them out and power your adventures with confidence.